everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, well known as Aramide's son. If you are watching this program for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. If you want to call me, you want to ask me question, or you need one of my products, Agbo Aleko, Agbo Jedi, strong fire, hard erection, or weak erection, or any kind of erection, you can call me on this number. It's 080 87 53 35 84. It's 080 87 53 35 84. Or it's 080 53 13 31 42. It's 080 53 13 31 42. Welcome to my channel. What I would like to share with you people today, if your penis is smaller than your age, don't stress yourself. You can do this thing by yourself without my knowledge. You can do it by yourself without my knowledge. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV on my Facebook page. You can follow me on TikTok or Instagram, Dr. Hafiz Abolade. If your penis smaller than your age, this is what we do. Yoruba call one leaf ewe eru. This is ewe eru. Ewe eru. You know it. This leaf is very popular leaf. I don't know the English name of this leaf, but Yoruba call it ewe eru, not ewe eru. Ewe eru is different from ewe eru. Ewe eru. This one is ewe eru. Ewe eru. Ewe eru is negro pepper leaf. Yoruba call that one eru. Negro pepper leaf. Ewe eru. But this one is ewe eru. Ewe eru. Go and look for this leaf. And Agama lizard, the male lizard, just look for the tail of that lizard, the black tail, just cut the tail, and this leaf, take small leaf and the tail of that Agama lizard, pound it very well. You can pound it inside mortar. You can use grinding stone to pound it. Look for small black soap, small one, small black soap to mix it. Pound it together. Pound it very well. If you want to use it, please don't forget to share my program. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me share this program. Drop your comments. and like it. God bless you. If you want to use it, just use this soap to wash your penis. Use it 3 times in a day: morning, afternoon, at night. Use it to wash it. Use it to do like this. Use it to rub it. Use it to rub it before you put water on it. Wash it 3 times. 3 times in a day. Try it. It's small, but it's mighty. It's small, but it's mighty. Please don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade. Bye.